Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to overclock a monitor. In my case, I am using an BenQ RL2240HE monitor rated at 60 Hz. Overclocking a monitor means increasing its frames per second. You have to get an NVIDIA graphic card for overclocking a monitor. You can use an AMD ones, but you have to install custom patch for doing so. I'll have an link in the video notes so that later you can go ahead and download it and install that. In this case, I am using an NVIDIA GTX 970. So we'll start now. Go to NVIDIA control panel, go to change resolution, then go to customize, press on create custom resolution. Let the resolution 1920 1080 be the same thing, and scan type be progressive. Change nothing else other than refresh rate. Go 5 hertz at a time. So I'll put 65 and put test. What it will do is the screen will go black and it will change the display setting from 60 to 65 hertz. And if you are still getting a black thing, black screen, you have to after 15 seconds or it will automatically revert back to 60 hertz. In my case it was stable, so I just pressed OK and it set it an profile at 65 hertz. Go ahead and make a new one, put as another 5 hertz more, which means 70 hertz. Put test, wait for some seconds. It is asking you whether to keep it or not. Put yes. If it will not come back after 15 seconds, it will revert back to the setting. Again, go to create custom resolution, increase it to 75 because last time we did 70. Put test. So it is normal, so it is stable. So I'll go and press yes. It will make a custom resolution hertz thing. They normally give the timing from 51 59 to 60 and all that. So as you increase it, it will increase. So when I entered 76, it is stable. So it will make a profile for 76 hertz. Now I'll go for 77. This is not stable. In my monitor I can see a prompt called out of range, so just wait. I'll wait for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds it will revert back to the normal setting or the last setting, that is 75 hertz. I have to wait for 15 seconds and it reverted back. Now my display is on, which means 77 is not stable, so 76 is the maximum on my monitor. Once you have set that, go to display settings, advanced display settings, display adapter properties, go to monitor, screen refresh rate, take it to 75. I can take it to 76, but I'll keep it at 75. It's your choice. You will not break your monitor or overheat it. There will be a time when it will just go out of range, so you don't have to take that much tension. And you will see a difference from 60 to 75, from 75 to 120. So find yours. Mine is a good overclocking monitor. Yours may only get up to 65 70, it depends, or yours may get more than mine, like 80 85. I have seen some monitors from Asus which go from 60 fps up to 120 fps. I mean hertz, fps are the same thing. So thank you for watching this video and like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.